Hey, stop scrolling for 1 second. What if I told you that the reason you're bad at learning is not because you're dumb? It's because nobody ever taught you how to learn. Think about it. You spent 15 years in school learning math, science, history. But did any teacher ever sit you down and say, okay kid, here's how your brain actually works. Here's how to study smarter. Nope, not once. So today we fix that. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn the skill that makes every other skill easier. Let's go. Number. Section 1. Why learning how to learn matters. Imagine you want to build a house. You could pick up bricks and start stacking them randomly. Sure, you're working hard, but after 3 days, you've got a pile of bricks, not a house. Or you could spend 30 minutes understanding how construction works. The right tools, the right process, and suddenly you build something solid. That's exactly what learning how to learn is. It's not about studying more, it's about studying smarter. Scientists call this metacognition, which is just a fancy word for thinking about how you think. The students who ace exams, the people who pick up new languages in months, the ones who switch careers and get good fast, they all do this even if they don't realize it. Number. Section 2. The brain is not a hard drive. Okay, first I need to destroy a myth you've believed your whole life. Your brain is not like a computer. You can't just upload information into it. You know how you crammed for an exam the night before, got an A, and then forgot everything by the next week? Yeah. That's not learning. That's your brain going, okay fine, I'll hold this for 12 hours, but then I'm deleting it. Your brain stores information through repetition and connection. Here's the trick. Your brain remembers things that are emotional, visual, or connected to something it already knows. So instead of reading a page 10 times, connect it to something funny, weird, or personal. Example. Trying to remember that the capital of Australia is Canberra. Don't just repeat Canberra, Canberra, Canberra. Instead, picture a can of beer in Australia, Canberra. Done. Ridiculous? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. Number, section 3. The 3 golden rules of learning. Alright, here are the 3 rules that will change how you learn forever. Rule 1. Space it out. Your brain is like a muscle. You wouldn't go to the gym for 8 hours straight on Monday and then never go again, right? Same with learning. Studying 20 minutes every day beats studying 3 hours once a week. Every single time. Scientists call this spaced repetition. There are free apps like Anki that do this automatically. Review something today, then in 2 days, then in a week. Your brain locks it in permanently. Rule 2. Test yourself, don't just reread. Here's something shocking. Rereading your notes is one of the least effective ways to study. I know, we've all been doing it wrong. The most powerful method? Testing yourself. It's called active recall. Close the book. Ask yourself, what did I just read? Explain it out loud. Draw it. Write it from memory. When you struggle to remember something, that struggle is literally your brain building stronger memory pathways. It's like doing reps at the gym. The effort is the point. Rule 3. Teach it like you're. Here's a question. Can you explain what you just learned to a 10-year-old? If you can't explain it simply, you don't actually understand it yet. This is called the Feynman technique, named after Nobel Prize winning physicist Richard Feynman. His secret? He'd take the most complex topics in science and explain them in plain, simple language. Try it. After studying anything, pretend you're teaching it to a younger sibling or a friend. The gaps in your knowledge will show up immediately. And that's where real learning happens. Section 4. The secret ingredient, rest and focus. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, cool. But I have 5 exams and a job and a life. When do I even find time? Great question. Here's something wild. Your brain consolidates memories while you sleep. That means studying hard, then sleeping well is more powerful than pulling an all-nighter. While you're sleeping, your brain is literally sorting through everything you learned and moving it to long-term storage. So, sleeping is not laziness. It is required for learning. Also, and this one's gonna sound obvious but nobody does, it put your phone away when you study. A Harvard study found that just having your phone on the desk, even face down, reduces your brain's available processing power. It doesn't even have to buzz. Its presence alone is distracting your brain. Put it in another room. Learn for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. That's the Pomodoro technique, and it works. Alright, let's wrap it up.